This is the Now Solutions fractionated coconut oil. What does it mean, fractionated coconut oil? Usually coconut oil will be in a solid form, like you can see here. Of course, you can melt it down and do something with it, but as soon as it goes back to normal room temperature, it will solidify. So fractionated coconut oil is made in a way that it will stay liquid regardless of the temperature. The great thing about coconut oil or fractionated coconut oil, it is so lightweight and so fast absorbing. It's absolutely amazing. I like to use it for different kind of products that I'm making, including hair products like beard oil, hair oil, and so forth. What you can also do is just simply apply it directly on your skin or on your hair, like for example in a pump bottle, and then you can just spray it onto your hair if you tend to have very dry hair like myself. Then this is absolutely great. It comes with this mechanism here where you can just push and then you can just squeeze out some of the coconut oil here, and I will show you. You can just gently massage it directly on your skin, on your hands, and it will keep you nice and moisturized. And fantastic product, and I absolutely recommend it.